Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fajar Fadhlurrahman Shiddiq, name 190730014. On this occasion, I will present a presentation on the physical construction. Physical construction. Name Fajar Fadhlurrahman Shiddiq, name 190730014. Objective number 1, determine the parts of physical construction. Number 2, describe visual body construction. Number 3, describe the type of visual frame. Number 4, describe the main construction of the unibody physical body. Number 4, summarize how to classify visual based on body, engine, and drivetrain configuration. Introduction. Number 1, physical construction refers to how the vessel will be built and how it functions. Number 2, in ancient time, vessel body were only made of wood, and now they have been developed using iron and aluminium. Number 3, lots of components in a vessel. If one component is damaged, it will affect the performance of other components. Number 4, each vessel has a different construction, so different repair methods are needed. Okay, next, crash testing. The vessel must be light, aerodynamic yet strong and safe. Number 2, computer simulated crash testing is used before building a prototype to find weak structural areas. Number 3, critical that passenger compartment is strong enough to prevent injury. Number 4, creative crash tests are done with a real vessel and sensor equipped dummies. Number 5, crash zones are built into the frame or body to absorb some of the energy collision. Okay, next, vessel classification. Number 1, vessel classification related to construction size, shape, number of door, type of roof, and other criteria of a motor vehicle. Number 2, to communicate properly in collision repair, you must understand these basic terms. Okay, next, physical construction. Car parts are divided into 2 major parts, namely the body and chassis. Number 2, the vessel in generally made of metal plate with a thickness of 0.6 until 0.9 mm as a place of passenger and goods. Number 3, the chassis is a part of the vessel that functions as a support for the body and consists the frame, engine, powertrain, wheel steering system, and suspension system, and brake system, and other accessories. Okay, next is a typical vessel whose body and frame are separate. The body and frame are connected using bolts and nuts to increase comfort while driving. Rubber is installed between the body and frame as a vibration damper. Number 2 is a type of physical construction where the body and frame are integrated into one unit, linking the body and frame using welding. Okay, next, type of physical frame. Number 1, heart-shaped frame. The construction is very simple, very easy to make, widely used for buses and trucks. Number 2, Perimeter frame. The perimeter frame is a refinement of the high frame of the body attached to the edge of the frame so that the floor can be lowered so that passenger space is more free. This type of frame is widely used in sedan. Number 3. Frame accepts. The beam frame construction consists of two main frames in the form of longitudinal beams joined together in the middle. The place where the body and door joins is made lower so that it is easier to get in and out of the vehicle. Strong against rotation, used in all sedan types. Number 4. The spin form frame or backbone. Frame construction is a single model frame. The middle parts carry the load or back, and the arm that stand out as the holder of the body. This kind of the frame construction also allow the center point of the vehicle, the body, to be lowered. This model frame construction is often used for passenger car and truck. Next, number 5. Platform plate. The body and frame are welded together so that it is an integrated form, allowing a large interior space. Another advantage of using this construction is that it has a fairly good resistance to bending and twisting. Next, mass construction of the unibody physical body. Number 1. Outer construction. The section is where various attachment kinds of panel and can be linked to the skin in the body. This section consists of several panels that are joined together with several types of joint and can be seen directly from the outside. For example, bumper, engine hood, door, sunroof, room head lining, fender, glass, boot lid or deck lid, radiator grill lamp, and so on. Number 2. Inner construction. The section consists of the component inside visual body, branching and panel used to strengthen the physical body. Number 3. Floor or underbody. Floor usually consists of several small welded components collectively into one floor unit. All panel the floor has reinforcement at the bottom. Number 4. Engine hood. The engine hood is the covering part of the visual body engine component. Number 5. Fender. The fender or wing is a covering component of the visual, the wheel. Each visual has 4 fenders. Each wheel has 1 fender. Fender protects suspension, construction, and protect from dirt and mud. Number 6. Cowl and dash panel. Cowl is a panel on the front visual as a separator between on the engine room and the passenger room, and usually formed from a combination of small panels. Number 7. Roof or roof panel. The roof is the large part of the body in comparison to other parts and has the simple construction, usually rough using sheet iron plate. Number 8. Body rear quarter panel. This component is usually attached to the rear wing and has outer and inner construction. Outer construction to bend and joined to the inner construction by welds and bolts. In section, this relates to the construction of the rear door and rear seat construction. Number 9. Pillar middle. The middle pillar is the support for the middle and sides from the roof. Therefore, this construction must be strong. On the pillar, the center also functions as the rear door hinge holder and front door lock holder. Number 10. The doors. The doors is made of two main panels, outer panel and inner panel, made of steel plate. Visual door has the power that comes from the inner panel that has bending and indication or pressure, so that when the edges are joined with the outer panel and become a single unit. Hence, this construction will be strong. Number 11. Deck lid. Is a door component as a way out good located behind the fissure. This component to consist of two main panels, namely the outer and inner panel that are joined together be one with the wheel. Okay, next, engine location and drive lanes. Number 1. Front engine rear wheel drive. Has engine in front and drive axle in rear. Number 2. Rear engine rear wheel drive. Has engine in back, axle transfer power to rear drive wheels. Number 3. Mid engine rear wheel drive. Has engine behind front seat. Number 4. All wheel drive, used to differential four wheel. Number 5. Four-wheel drive, use a transfer case to send power to differential and all wheels. Okay, next, vehicle size. Number 1. Compact car is smells body classification. Normally use a 4-cylinder engine, lightweight, gets the highest gas mileage. Number 2. Intermediate car is medium in size. Use a 4, 6 or 8-cylinder engine. Usually has a unibody construction. Number 3. Full-size car is large, heavy, and often has a high-performance V8 engine, either unibody or body over frame construction. Next, roof design. Sedan is a body design with a center pillar that support roof. Number 2, hardtop does not have a center pillar to support roof. Number 3, hatchback has a large rear door at back, commonly found on small compact cars. Number 4, convertible has a retractable canvas roof with a steel tube framework or a removable hardtop. Number 5, station wagon extends roof track back to rear of body with a rear hatch of tailgate. Okay, next, fans and truck. Number 1, fan has a large box-shaped body to increase interior volume or space. Number 2, full-size fan normally is front engine or rear wheel drive. Number 3, minifan is smaller and often uses front engine with unibody construction. Number 4, pick-up truck normally has a separate cab and bed, typically with front engine or rear wheel drive. Okay, summary. Number 1, visual classification related to construction, size, shape, number of door, type of roof. Number 2, their main types of frame construction, body over frame, unibody, and space frame. Number 3, visual commonly divided into 3 body sections. Number 1, front section or nose section. Number 2, center section or mid section. Number 3, rear section, tail section, and rear clip. Number 4, visual size, compact, intermediate, and full size. Maybe that's enough for my presentation this time. If there is a word I apologize for, hopefully this is useful. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.